Here we go, Route 0766. First time ever in a car show here in Rolling Stock in San Francisco. My first car show here with my Mustang and see what's going on today. Here we go. These are the VIP, looks like nice, all really beautiful cars here. Crazy things, bikers, not too many today. Look at this was is ready for a party. Look at that.
Hey, my kids saw you holding on to that.
Most of those are empty. Ready to serve. Let's keep looking.
Sometimes it makes me wonder how I keep from going under when they hit me with the thunder and line and they drive and line and they frightening.
That looks like the owners here.
Just hitting, and I can't miss the boat. And rolling my wheel right next to the police. Nothing but love for all my homeboys. Hustling drugs up in your program, fucking it up.
I'm in the fast lane, the cash lane, something it's a bad thing. Hitting the ball with this DNA, pure gang. I get stuck in your membrane. I'm like a pimp at a party when you say, look at them rings. I use a gorilla, this baking soda. Whether it's in Denver, man, Houston, man, or North Dakota. With no apology, technology. Some brother dissing me, or even thinking he. I got the soul and the spirit of the rap, the con king, back and right chest. I only go on, like a drunk of the
I got the rubber whip it out, she better give me some. And she usually doesn't do this much with me or something. I'm with her, she wrote the woody, got the bleedy stuff. And chill like the drug, I'll tell her out, she better keep it coming. I got a type of swat that make these women come around. I got a set intention, set it go and knock them down. And when I thought them, I got bust the floor and knock them down. I need a lawyer, bitch, I like to fucking wanna stick around. Lottie Dottie, we like to party. I like the Henny and she like the party. Let's get it ready so we get the rowdy. My boy got the trippin', now he acting naughty. Bounce out, boy, I'm feeling like that. Not another man walking this flesh. This a guy body walking in the flesh. Got a fresh white tee with a rubber around the neck. I have an A to the face, I'm trying to see that. On the tight and I really haven't needed that. On the tight, it's always hungry, never feeling nothing. Got a lot I wanna do, I really wanna be something. Walk to the bitch, feeling like a homeowner. Come to the doghouse, I'ma put the bitch on. Go walk on my shoe, baby, I'm a soul on. Something like an eagle, baby, I'm the front runner. These people close, so they really doing something. You think I'm good now, baby, you ain't seen nothing. No working in the winter, just sick of the more summer. Think of something blue, baby, I be straight thumbing. I be out the way, I be letting my dreams swing. Oh, you man, I be saying the same thing. Keep the cash tight, baby, even the loose strings. Get it over here, wanna kick it like Luke Kane. Get into the game, you gon' learn and you get paid. Bitch, one time, it'll cost you a big play. She say, oh, you don't know the shit you say. Said, baby girl, I know I got an ounce of my name, you dig? I'm south boy, feeling like that. Not another man walking this fresh. This a guy, but he working in the fight. Got a fresh white tee with a rubber around the neck. I have an A to the face, I'm trying to see a shot. I'm the type of nerd, really up and needing that.
hard to see and it's hard to define which is better. Everyone looks really nice. But some of those catch my eyes. This Galaxy 500 is amazing. This is a nice one.
Until you're done, I'm comfortable with dreaming. Oh, why am I comfortable?
More cars still coming. Look this one. This is one of the nicest ones. I was supposed to build one of these with a factory 5 kit, but I miss it. I don't have time to do that. It's a nice Rush Mustang with a Batman inside. Thunderbird. More Chevelle.
Yeah, a little bit. It's always warm down here.
Nice insides here. Monte Carlo Mustang Mach 1. It is original. Very cool. But not my favorite. Because some cars are incredible positions. I think this event is more for the young kids to show these kind of cars. Asian cars with a high performance engines and stuff. It's crazy how they put stuff down. But any other odd. Yeah, look at that. This is another Mustang that catch my eyes. It's a 6-cylinder, like a race Mustang. It's pretty cool. 6 cylinders. Really nice, well done. It's drivable and nice, I think. The Judge. Another nice one. Look at that Bochito. VW bar. A lot of work on it, a lot of money. With the sound and everything. Look at that. Really clean. And the guy keep cleaning the cars. This is another odd one. It's the El Camino. Off-road. Lifted. It's another nice one. Nice, well done. Oh, it's another Continental. The ones I like a little bigger one, but like a really elegant car. All the Continentals are always elegant. The suicide door opening, look at that. And more Asian cars. A 69, they started restoring it, still working on it. Here we go. This is my Mustang. First time ever in the car show. Look at that. My wife and my granddaughter are there. I put some numbers to identify what's going on. But here we go. Keep moving. Oh, this is another one. Catch my eyes. It's a 502 Camaro. Oh wow. It's a beautiful Camaro. I hear when it came. It's awesome. Awesome. I don't know those paddles work. But it's an automatic car. I don't know what kind of engine they put on this. It's a 502. Oh, it's a Thunderbird. This is a rolling now one. Really good one. Really old one. But this is nice. I think pretty much that's it. Another bulb. Pretty standard. Original. 392 Yami. Another Thunderbird. Oh wow, look at this one. Catch your eyes right away. All purple. And that's it. Few other cars. Nice trucks. Original trucks. I think nothing been done in this one, but looks cool. Another one with nice position. And this is my car.
That one? Oh, you can, right? You can move this car.